Everybody, welcome to Back to Basic Concepts. In the previous video, you have learned the meaning of percentage. Understand it with the help of shaded part of drawing, and also what does the unshaded part of the drawing mean. Now in this video, you will learn how to solve sums based on conversion of percentage into fraction and vice versa. While converting percentage into fraction, we will divide it by 100, or can even multiply by 1 upon 100. While converting fraction into percentage, we will multiply by 100. तो सम्स कैसे करते हैं वो समझते हैं. हमें क्या करना है? परसेंटेज को फ्रैक्शन में करने के लिए you have to divide by 100 or multiply by 1 upon 100. हम दोनों तरीके से सीखेंगे. See the first example. 14%. We write it as 14 upon 100. बस हो गया सम. हमें आंसर मिल गया क्योंकि हमें फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. नहीं, हमें इसे लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में करना है. सो हम कॉमन फैक्टर से डिवाइड करेंगे, दैट इज बाय 2, एंड वी विल गेट इट एज 7 and 50. नाउ कैन वी डिवाइड this 7 and 50 further? नहीं. So our final answer is 7 upon 50. Should we write percentage here? नहीं, क्योंकि हम percentage को fraction में convert कर रहे हैं. So this percentage will not come. Let's see the second example. 6 2 upon 3 percentage. We will first convert into improper fraction. We will get it as 20 upon 3. And then don't forget to write percentage, which becomes 20 upon 3. We will write it as it is, and percentage you will divide it by 100. So we will get it as 20 upon 300. Now we have to divide it by the common factor 10. So we will cancel this 0. And now can we divide this further? Yes. 2 is a common factor of both the numbers. So we will divide it by 2 and we will get it as 1 and 15. Can we divide this 1 and 15 further? No. So our answer is 1 upon 15. लोग ज़्यादातर फ्रैक्शन परसेंटेज में गलती करते हैं. They forget to write 100 down. They simply write this 20 upon 3, and that is a final answer for them. To avoid this mistake, we will solve it by another method. What is that? Let's see. We'll change it into improper fraction 20 upon 3, and then percentage, we'll write it as 1 upon 100, and then we will cancel the common factor, that means by 10, and then this goes in by 2 table, and this will become 5. So our final answer is 1 upon 15. Take another example. 224%. We'll write it as 224 upon 100. We'll cancel the common factor, that is by 2, and we'll get it as 112, and here we will get it as 50. Can we divide it further? Yes, again by 2. So this will become 56, and this will become 25. So can we divide this further? No. So our final answer is 56 upon 25. Now see the next example. 5 upon 16%. We will change it into improper fraction, that is 37 upon 16. Don't forget to write percentage. That becomes 37 upon 1600. Percentage will change into 100. That means we will divide it by 100. Can we divide this further? No. So this is our final answer. The other way, you can solve it by another method, that is, you will change it into improper fraction 37 upon 16 into 1 upon 100, that becomes 37 upon 1600. By converting fraction into percentage, we will multiply by 100. Let's understand it with few examples. First, 11 upon 16. We'll write it as 11 upon 16, and then we will multiply by 100 to convert the fraction into percentage. Here now we will cancel the common factor. Here 4 is a common factor of 16 and 100. So we will divide 16 and 100 by 4. By dividing 16 by 4, we will get 4, and by dividing 100 by 4, we will get it as 25. 25 11s is 275. So we'll get it as, or we'll write it as 275 upon 4%. Is this the final answer? No. We will change it into mixed fraction or decimal numbers. I am changing it into mixed fraction. So we will get it as 68 3 upon 4%. Here, percent sign is very important. Don't forget to put percent sign as we are converting fraction into percentage. See the next example. 32 upon 3. It is in mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction first. That is 11 upon 3. and then we will multiply by 100. Here there is no common factor, so we'll write it as 11 hundreds are 1100 upon 3 percent. And now we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. By converting, we will get it as 366 2 upon 3 percent. इसमें लोग ज़्यादातर क्या गलती करते हैं? They don't write percent sign. परसेंट का सिंबल लिखना भूल जाते हैं while converting fraction into percentage. To avoid it, we can solve by another method. What is it? Let's see. What we will do? We will make a use of brackets. We will write 11 upon 3 into 100 in a bracket and then put percent sign. Here we won't forget to put percent sign. Now we'll get it as 1100 upon 3, which percent equals to 366 2 upon 3 percent. Now let's take another example. 15 upon 4. We will write it as 15 upon 4 first and then we will multiply by 100. Here we will cancel the common factor. 4 is a common factor, so we will divide 4 by 4 and we will get it as 1, and by dividing 100 by 4 we will get it as 25. Now 15 25s is 375. So our answer is 375 what? Am I correct? Yes, no. Yes or no? Tell me. Of course no. Why? Because I didn't put percent sign. Okay, now see the next example. 6 1 upon 5. We will convert it into percentage. How? We will change it into improper fraction, which comes to 31 upon 5, and then we will multiply by 100. Here 5 is a common factor of 5 and 100, so we divide it by 5. So by dividing 5 by 5, we will get it as 1, and by dividing 100 by 5, we will get it as 20. 31 20s is 620. So answer is 620, and of course percent. We can solve it by another method. We can write 31 upon 5 into 100 in a bracket and then put percent sign outside the bracket. We will cancel the common factor and we will get it as 620%. I hope you would have understood the concept of conversion of percentage into fraction and vice versa by both the methods. Please do comment, subscribe this channel.